We've backfilled about 3/4 of the way up. The homeowner has put in his sprinkler line so he can set some sprinkler heads around the perimeter of the trampoline. With these rectangle trampolines, you need to have these earth anchors to hold the trampoline frame and retention wall steady. Just the nature of the shape, when a person jumps on the trampoline, this long side of the trampoline flexes in every time you jump. So the purpose of these earth anchors is to compact them into the ground and hold this in position so that it won't flex inward. Because every time it flexes inward, the ground is going to cave in and keep pressing in on the trampoline frame until the trampoline frame is deformed. So if you're installing a rectangle trampoline and you don't have the earth anchors, over a year or two, you're going to have a problem. Your springs are going to become looser. You're going to lose jump performance. They're just made out of a steel disc. It's powder coated, and then a piece of all thread. These trampoline frames, they have a reinforced patch right over here. Bring the camera over here. Show this right here. It's pre-drilled through the frame at about a 30-degree angle downward. You will have to take your 3/8 drill bit and drill through the retention wall pipes so that you can push this all thread through the frame. And then it'll go about 30 degrees down into the ground, and you'll compact it in the ground. So we're going to dig a hole so that we can get this into position. Okay, that's good. A little bit at a time. Okay. Try not to bend that.